What's going on YouTube and four-wheel drive fans? It's Andreas here from Symmetry 4-Wheel Drive. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am super excited, super pumped. We are out here at Gobi-X Manufacturing and R&D Off-Road here in Cape Town, South Africa, just to have a walk around their factory and their premises and see the whole process of how they develop and manufacture their products, as well as picking up some exciting goodies for the 80 series LandCruiser. So this is going to be kicking off part of the build series on the 80 series, and we are so excited to be here and checking all this stuff out. So let's jump into it and check what they do here at Gobi-X Manufacturing and R&D Off-Road. Gobi-X Manufacturing was founded and established in 2011 by a man called Chris Ingram, who lives and breathes the 4x4 off-roading and overlanding culture here in South Africa, and they develop a wide range of products for vehicles for these particular applications, and we were privileged enough to walk through their manufacturing facilities and see just how these great products are produced. The starting point of most of Gobi-X's products is in the form of laser cut and CNC bent sheet metal materials. Here we can see their containers that come in from their suppliers with these sheet metal fabrications. These components are then assembled and welded on site by Gobi-X's expert team of welders, and they are all tested on jigs and welded to strict specification by the engineering and design team. This will ensure a perfect fitment to your vehicle, as well as durability and a great finish to each of their products. Once these products have been welded together and tested on their jigs, they will then be taken to the cleanup facility, where any external blemishes will be ground down, some of the welds on the finishing surfaces will be made flat, and generally the sheet metal will be deburred and made ready to get finished in the next process. Now that all the edges have been smoothed off and any of the blemishes have been removed by the previous department's cleanup process, the next step for this product is to go into 6 different baths along a cleaning process, which will remove any impurities or oils on the metal, any surface rust, anything that would hamper the finishing process and powder coating process of the product. So these baths make the product ready and clean for the next step, which is powder coating. Moving on from the chemical cleaning process, the product now moves along the production line into powder coating. For the powder coating process, there are various colors and finishes that Gobi-X offer for their various different products and their applications. For instance, you could get their Vero Black finish coating on a bumper, let's say, and that would give the bumper a rough and tough finish, textured finish, and more of a satin look. Or you could alternatively go with their more traditional gloss black powder coating, or grey or silver, or some of the other options. I think often a lot of their products are ordered in black because that just fits with any vehicle and any situation that they are being installed into. It's just a very neutral color that fits in with a lot of different applications. As you may have heard me mention earlier, one of Gobi-X's products is their Untitled tent. Now this is a lightweight composite rooftop tent that they manufacture and produce on site, and is a very luxurious, very lightweight and very practical tent that I'm a big fan of. And as well as doing the whole process on site, they also hand make and hand stitch all of their canvas for this tent on site in their canvas department. Overall, this is one of their most impressive products. Now that all of the very impressive and also very labor-intensive processes have been completed for this product during its manufacturing life cycle, we can now move on to the final assembly process. So this process is where all of the components are assembled together to create their final product and final accessory, and all of the various fasteners and other components that go with this to make it a complete product are put together and get ready to be packaged and sent to its various locations and customers all over the world. This is where all of the steps of the whole manufacturing process comes together and you can finally see a finished and complete product. Their work bays where they do this final assembly is very thought out and well placed and positioned with all their tools needed right on hand, and you can see that it's a very streamlined and optimized process. Now that all of these components have come together and the final products assembled, they can move on to the extensive packaging process that ensures that all of the products reach their final destination just as they left the factory. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little tour of the Gobi-X manufacturing facilities and being able to just see how their products are put together and assembled. And I'm really impressed with the whole process and the quality and professionalism of the work that goes into the Gobi-X products. And I think the final results and proof is in the pudding when you see these great products that we've come to know and love. So if we have a look here, the car is jam-packed with goodies for the 80 series and we can't wait to get home and start fitting all of this stuff. Today is like Christmas but better. So what we have behind me here is a whole bunch of Gobi-X Barwork for the 80 series LandCruiser, and I couldn't be more excited. So what we are going to do is open up all of these packages and see what we have there, and they are very well and very securely and safely packaged so that in any sort of transit or shipping, couriering, anything like that, they will definitely arrive at their destination looking just as they left the factory. So they have very impressive packaging on these items. So what we have here is a front bumper with incorporated skid plate and rated recovery points, a set of rock sliders to protect the 80 series sills, and finally a rear bumper that also has a swing arm or tire carrier for my spare wheel. So what we're going to do is jump into opening up all of these packages and checking what we have. So here we have it, guys and girls, the Barwork from Gobi-X for the 80 series LandCruiser build. So I just want to send out a huge thank you to Gobi-X for jumping on board and wanting to help out with my 80 series build. I've been such a huge fan of their products for so many years now, and it really in a way is a dream come true to be able to fit their top-notch, top-quality parts to my 80 series build. So it's my dream rig with some of my dream bar work going on it, so I am beyond excited to get that all fitted up on the car. And also a big thank you to John and the rest of the team there that showed me around their manufacturing facilities and gave me a look at how their products are built and developed from start to finish. And it was just an awesome experience to see the pride that they take in their work and also the professionalism that goes into their whole manufacturing process. They really produce such high quality and top quality products here in South Africa, and it's awesome to be involved and support a local company as well. It's in a way it's very proud to have such quality stuff produced locally on our shores here. So you guys definitely aren't going to want to miss this one, and in the coming weeks and episodes we are going to be fitting their products to the 80 series, and you definitely should click that subscribe button and stay up to date with what's going on here on the 80 series build. So we'll catch you again soon in the next one when we fit their products to the 80 series, and until then, cheers. Millie, stop it. Hey.